Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Daily Commodity. So today's topic is related to trading of a commodity which is carbohydrate that has been used as an ingredient in the food for the thousands of years, that is the commodity sugar. Today consumer uses sugar to flavor food, for example chocolates, to help retain moisture in the baked goods, for example cakes, and to preserve and gel other foods like jellies and jam. Sugar can also be used to make the ethanol fuel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about why should you invest in sugar and how to trade sugar ETFs, CFDs, options and futures. So let me remind you, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications and updates from Daily Commodity. So let us begin. Why should you trade in sugar? Four reasons you might invest in sugar. The investor purchases soft commodity such as sugar for many reasons, but here are the most common reasons. First, speculation. Second is inflation and weak US dollar hedge. The third reason is bet on emerging market demand. The fourth reason is portfolio diversification. First, speculating on sugar prices. Most sugar production occurs in few countries and weather patterns plays an important role in determining the supply of the commodity like sugar. Sugar prices can be volatile. Investors looking up to speculate on the short-term bottleneck in supply might see sugar as an attractive investment. The second is inflation and weak US dollar hedge. Most commodity investment, including sugar, are priced in the US dollar and therefore are a way to bet on the weak US dollar. The US economy has relied disproportionately on the consumer and government borrowing and spending over the past few decades. To incentive borrowings, the Federal Reserve System has kept interest rates low for a longer period of time. The third is betting on emerging market demand. Asian and other emerging economies are growing wealthier. As the consumer in this country accumulate more purchasing power, their appetite of sweet food may grow as well. Investing in sugar might be a way to capitalize on these global trends. The last reason is portfolio diversification. People invest in sugar to diversify their portfolio. Commodities such as sugar have historically had low correlations with the stock, bond, and other financial assets. Investing in sugar provides a way to diversify a portfolio and smooth out investment returns. Should you invest in sugar? Sugar is a volatile commodity, so investing in it could produce big gains or losses. However, investing in sugar isn't just for speculators. Commodities such as sugar can be a way to mitigate risk in an investment portfolio by providing asset diversification. A basket of a commodity that includes sugar, other soft commodities, metals, energy, insulates a buyer from the event that affects a particular commodity's price. How can you invest in sugar? Sugar traders have several ways to invest in the commodities. For example, sugar futures, options, ETF, and CFD. So now let us know how to trade sugar future. The New York Mercantile Exchange, which is a part of a Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and the Intercontinental Exchange offers a contract on sugar that settles into 1,12,000 pounds of world sugar on 11th, which is the global benchmark for the raw sugar. The CME contract trades globally on the CME Globex electronic trading platform and has the expiration date on the month of March, May, July, and October. Future are nothing but a derivative instrument through which the trader can make the leverage bets on the commodity prices. If the price declines, trader must deposit the additional margin in order to maintain their position in market. At the expiration, the contracts are financially settled on New York Mercantile Exchange, but physically settled on the Intercontinental Exchange. Investing in futures requires a high level of sophistication since the factors such as storage cost and interest rate affects the pricing. So now let us know how to trade sugar options on futures. The ICE, that is the Intercontinental Exchange, offers an option contract on sugar futures. Options are also a derivative instrument that employs leverage to invest in the commodities. As with the future, option has an expiration date. However, the option has a strike price, which is the price above with which the option finishes in the money. Option buyers pays a price known as a premium to purchase the contract. An option bet only succeeds if the price of the sugar future rises above the strike price, which is greater than the amount paid for the premium at the time of the contract. Therefore, the option trader must be right about the size and timing of the move in the sugar future to profit from their trade. The third option is how to trade sugar ETF. ETF are nothing but the exchange traded fund, which are the financial instrument trade has a share on the exchange in the same way as stock does. The popular ETF that invest in sugar is Thorium Sugar Fund and Pure Beta Sugar ETN. You can also invest in sugar through the shares of the sugar company. There are virtually no pure play global public company engaged in the production and sales of the sugar. Imperial Sugar was a public company before being acquired and taken private in the year 2012. Investor could purchase the shares of the India's largest sugar producer, that is the Bajaj Hindustan Limited, which is listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange. How to trade in sugar CFD. CFD are the contract for difference. One way to invest in sugar is through the use of the contract for difference, which is again a derivative instrument. CFD allows trader to speculate on the price of the sugar. The value of the CFD is the difference between the price of the share at the time of the purchase and the current price. Many regulated brokers worldwide offer CFD on sugar. Cus- consumers Customers deposit fund with the broker serves as a margin. The advantage of the CFD is that the trader can have the exposure to the sugar price without having purchased any shares of the company, ETF, futures or options. If you like the video, please do like, comment, share. Thank you.